This video is going to cover how to mirror a drawing. Sometimes when you're doing freehand drawings, you may want to mirror it so you get an exact image on the other side. This is very typical for a tablet holder or a like an Xbox controller holder, something that needs to be perfect on both sides. So I'm going to click on part and start the sketch. Now you're only going to draw half of your drawing. So you go to your XY, and instead of making a 12 by 3, you're going to make a 6 tab 3 because we're only going to do half of it. And I'm going to spend some time doing my design portion here. If you want to skip that, just skip to the end of the video when I mirror this, but I'm going to do a design of a tablet holder. So I'm not going to do it real fancy here. I'm going to go 0.3 on that, and I'm going to have a line coming up here. And again, if you don't want to watch this part, don't watch it. That's fine. I did my tangent arrow there, and I'm going to have this come down. My tablet is going to sit in this area here. I'm going to want a circle right in here-ish. So I'm going to do another. This has to be wider than your tablet, so I'm going to go 0.5 there. Zoom in for some of these because it gets tricky. I'm going to tangent these two together, and then this is going to come back up. My tablet's going to sit on this part, so I'm going to have this go close to the top. If you hold Shift, it'll make a tangent line for you as you do this. So my tablet's going to sit right in here, and I'm going to actually have this go right up to the top. I'm going to curve this on top, so I'm going to go make an arc right there and kind of, nope, I don't like that. I'm going to do a circle instead. Remember, this is just like the other one. You don't want to trim it to the end. I'm going to do a 0.75 circle, tangent, U, and U, U, and U, and I'm going to have a line coming off my circle, tangent, I'm holding the Shift, down to there. And then I'm going to cut all this out. Remember, don't cut it, don't trim it until all your drawing is done. So, here we go. Escape, trim, escape, right click, delete the dimension, Usually circular dimensions are okay, so now I trim. Don't want that, don't want that, don't want that, don't want that. Everything that this line hits, it's going to trim. I don't want this, and I definitely don't want that. So this is half of my tablet holder. I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to extrude this to an 1/8 inch. Extrude. And click on it, 1/8. Okay. So now I want an exact replica of this on the other side. Here's how this mirror tool works. It's kind of easy. You click mirror, and it says, what do you want to mirror? So you click on that. And then this is the weird part. You got to click on the red arrow and then tell it what surface you want to mirror. So I want to mirror that surface. And you can zoom out and you get a preview of it. And that's what I want. So I click OK. And now this is going to be my tablet holder. Obviously, I'm going to have a fold right in the middle. Color it if you'd like. I'm going to pick gold again. And file. Save as. I'm saving this in my tablet holder. Current. Saving it in my desktop or wherever you're going to save it. Next, you'll have to bend it. I already have a video on how to bend it, and then you'll have to make a drawing. I already have a video on how to do a drawing, but this is how you do a mirror, and it works pretty good depending on what you're making.